guys, thanks for watching. Today's video is going to be our outdoor Christmas decorate with us. It took a little bit longer than I wanted to get our outdoor Christmas decorations up, but we've had such a busy schedule that we're just now able to get around to putting them all up. But I love the way that they turned out. We even decorated out back by the pool, so I found a great deal on another Christmas tree. So you will see that later on in the video, so make sure you stick around for that. So I'm just going to start decorating the porch, but you will see this change quite a few times. To hang up these wreaths, I just took some command hooks and stuck them to the window, and they worked perfectly. And then I am just taking this deco mesh and putting it in the tree, but you will see I end up not liking it, so I take it out, and it looks way better just plain anyway, and then I ended up moving it later on. And then I'm going to hang up the giant wreath, but it isn't going there. I'm kind of just hanging it up there to fluff it. And then we're going to go put it in front of the window in front of the house.
Everything looked just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. Does this come true? These few days go by so fast. I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you. Does this come true?
At this point, I'm just supervising my husband put up the garland because I've gotten the porch pretty much decorated for now. You will see we will go back and add a few things and change a few things around, and I just love it. It looks so cozy, especially at night with all of the lights turned on.
Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true, Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah, ooh, yeah.
Normally we just hang regular Christmas lights, but I found this garland this year and I just thought it was so cute. I do wish it was white lights, but the colored lights do look really pretty, and my kids love the colored lights. We do have icicle lights that we were going to hang up with the garland, but we decided to put those out back by the pool, but we ran out of the little screws, so my husband had to go pick those up, but hopefully we can finish getting those up sometime today.
And so are all of you, Does this come true? And so are you, so are Does this?
We definitely need to do some landscaping. You can see we have some weeds growing, but we'll probably get out and do that soon just because I feel like it is blocking some of the Christmas decor and it just doesn't make it look as cute. So we really need to do some landscaping. So maybe this weekend or next weekend we will get out and do that. But you will see I have changed a few things around. We're wrapping some garland around the little entryway area. I wanted to wrap some ribbon around this as well, but I couldn't find my ribbon that I wanted to use, so I might pick some up or not. I think it looks cute with just the garland too.
Come true. Only once a year. Only once a year. Only once a year. Only once a year.
So this is the next day, and you can see that I moved around the trees on the front porch. I just think they look so much cuter there, and they both light up. So right there, right when you walk up to the door, you see those all lit up, and it just looks so cute and cozy at night. And then I have these little snowflakes. My husband actually found these on Marketplace. I wish I had more of them, but they still look cute lit up at night. And then I'm just going to add some bows to the wreaths because I felt like they were missing something. So I'm going to add these bows. They actually do light up, but we don't have a plug over by the window, so I just went ahead and hid the cord. And they still look super cute with the wreath. And I just love the way that everything turned out in the front of the house. So moving on to the Lanai area. So it looks so cozy out here at night with the tree. We were actually sitting out here last night watching TV with the lights on the tree on, and it was just so cozy, and it was like nice and breezy out. So I got this tree at the thrift store for $8. It was such a good deal. So I'm just gonna fluff that and then put the lights on it, and I end up moving it around and getting the other tree that's in the corner. I end up moving that, and then this tree is gonna go there, and it looks so much cuter. Are you a white lights type of person, or do you like colored lights? White lights have always been my favorite. I just love the classic look of white Christmas lights, but my kids love colored lights, so I put them out here and I think they actually look super cute, even though I am more partial to white lights. So I'm just decorating this little table area we have outside. I have a little tree. You can see I had to kind of fix it to make it stay up. So I'm going to put this cute little tree and a present, and then a little Grinch wooden piece. It's so cute. It says Merry Grinchmas. So that is going to be the end of my Christmas outdoor decorate with me. I hope that you enjoyed it and maybe got some more decor inspiration. I just love Christmas decor, so we have it literally every room of our house. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.